hold your great stocks. Okay. People all the time, they're worrying about this, that you get bounced out of your good stocks. Now, what are you going to do? Everything's back at all-time highs. You're going to get back in, buy at a higher price. We're going to talk about that today. Hey, I'm Luke Downey. Here's another edition of Lessons with Luke. I just love talking about stocks. I want to make you a better investor. So make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, right? We want people to become better investors. That's what we're trying to do. So what's going on? We got markets at all-time highs, S&P, the NASDAQ, things are breaking out. You got an infrastructure deal that's apparently coming together. Markets are rallying. But people were freaked out a month ago. And, that's when the opportunity arises. I talked about being like Warren Buffett literally a month ago, talking about how waiting for a pullback, setting your price, get your buy list ready and start to, pick away. The payoff comes whenever, out of nowhere, just like magic, just like poof, stocks start rallying again. And then the news media starts coming in and they're like saying, oh, this is why, and oh, the rates are going down. And so that's going to be good for stocks. And that's why tech is going to, you know what? It's a story as old as time. Okay. Great stocks are going to continue to go higher. You're seeing the tech stocks go up. You're seeing the S&P stocks go up. That's just what they do. Okay. You want to be a bigger buyer when things are on sale. You want to be buying less when things are at highs like now, right? Just ride the wave, right? So the question becomes, what do you do if you're an investor? You got out of your stocks, you got spooked. Well, you know what? You got to be patient again. You got to be patient. Don't be chasing stocks that are, ripping every single day, 4 or 5%. It's a recipe for disaster. You're probably not going to get a really good entry price. So you want to be patient, wait a little while, let your other stocks just do what they do, right? That's the key to being long-term focused. Long-term is how you win this game. Okay. That's how you make the big money. Okay. You hear about all these guys, these great investors, they had $1 billion return. They didn't do that by trading it around, by swinging it around. I'm telling you, they did it by holding. And that is the key here. So look, every now and then people get bounced out. We get freaked out. We're not willing to take the risk of things going down, things going lower. But, sometimes that can present the best opportunities. So hopefully you guys hung in there. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this bull market. I know that my accounts are at all-time highs, just like the market, right? If you never sell, that's practically what happens. And you know what? The summer's here. Enjoy it. Go get that tan going. And I'll see you next week.